I read an article about Steve Jobs, the CEO of Apple, who just died a couple of days ago, that he said one of the 2-3 main things that helped him to be successful is taking illegal drugs. And I was like, it was very interesting for me to hear that, because while you're working out, your body produces the humanly strongest possible drugs, meaning natural drugs. While you're working out, your endorphins, your serotonin are increasing, so you feel unbelievable. So people actually working out and eating proper, it's like taking drugs every single day. You feel great.
So let me just be clear that we're not suggesting that people take drugs, but we are saying that the adrenaline rush, that you can get that from exercise because it produces something in your body. So I want to make sure that I clear that up before anybody calls.
I'm sorry to say that, but one of the reasons why I mentioned that is exercise is much easier to do than illegal drugs. You're not going to go to prison. And we're creating society of healthy children, more productive children, instead of society of prisoners and drug abusers.